Some great advice to help you with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is turning into something a lot of people are aware of and trying out today. All that means is you're going to have more competition out there as more and more sites are available for people to see. With that being said, you want to make sure you are always learning new tips and strategies to stay ahead of the game, so coming to this video was a great idea. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. Target keywords and reviews that you write for the marquee products you will promote on your site. Create backlinks to the review you have written, and it will increase the search engine ranking. This strategy will target the people who are actually interested in buying things. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard to spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. All of the tips you just learned should help you become successful through affiliate marketing. Remember that there are other people out there who want to do the same thing you want to do, so always keep on the lookout for new information you can use in your arsenal as you compete for success. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.